Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will teach you how to create your own Flash USDT for binary trading on Quotex and gambling on Stake Casino, and other gambling sites such as 1xBet, Bet365 and so on. First, install Metamask extension in your Chrome browser and you need to add 0.05 Ethereum to your Metamask wallet. You will need about $3 to $6 extra for the gas fee, and you will receive around 50,000 USDT, which you can use in gambling sites. Also, trade them using Quotex or other binary trading websites. Let's start the process. Open the website Remix Ethereum. Create a new project and name it USDT.sol. Next, paste here the code you find in the video description. Copy all code, don't skip any portion. Now go to the Solidity compiler and select version 0.6.6 plus. After that, go to the Deploy Run Transaction section. Here, select Injected Provider Metamask. Connect your Metamask wallet. Once Metamask is connected successfully, your balance appears here. Type the token name field, Tether, and USDT. Click Transact. Deploy the smart contract. In the max fee field, specify the minimum permissible value. Round it to whole numbers. First transaction cost, $3 to $6. Confirm the transaction. To successfully create a smart contract, copy the contract address and paste it in Etherscan. Check is valid, or if no, check it is not valid. Now next we send the coin to the contract for liquidity. Paste the smart contract address and send 0.05 Ethereum minimum possible. Wait for the transaction confirmation. Now we're just waiting a few minutes. I'll go to Etherscan to make sure the transaction is actually found. This is the smart contract we got. Send our amount to the received address. Once the balance is displayed in Remix, click Start and confirm the transaction. Don't forget to set the max fee value to minimum permissible value, rounded to whole numbers. Confirm the transaction in Metamask. Final step, withdraw token to your wallet. Then click Withdraw. And gas fee. The transaction again, make sure you have $10 in your wallet. To cover the gas for 3 actions on the blockchain, wait for a few minutes and you will see USDT in your wallet. This token will exist on your wallet for about 3 months. You can withdraw this Flash USDT to Binance from Stake or Quotex and exchange it for any other cryptocurrency and earn money. If you have any questions or need help, please contact me on Flash USDT Creator in Telegram.